Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Puff the Penguin Christmas Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the nose. We'll start with a curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it down to the center, coming to a point. Now let's move to the sides and let's draw a curve up and back down for the eyes. And then let's add another curve on top. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and let's start drawing the hat. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a bumpy line across, going up on an angle. Then from both ends, let's bring it up with the same bumpy line. And then another angled one across. Now on top of the left side, let's draw a curve up, and then one more up on an angle on the left. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a large curve across, going over to the left and bringing it down. Then another curve down next to it, and then close off the bottom. And lastly, around the end of the hat, let's draw a bumpy circle. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the body. Let's draw a curve down underneath both sides. And then let's draw the Christmas wreath going around the body. Let's start with a bumpy line across. And then the same thing going down on both sides. And again, across at the bottom. Next, let's move inside and add the bow. Inside the wreath in the center, let's draw a small square. Then for the top corners, let's bring it out, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right. And then lastly, inside each side, let's draw two angled lines. And that's it for the bow. Now let's add some circles for the ornaments. And that's it for the Christmas wreath. Now let's go down and finish drawing the bottom of the body. Let's start from the sides and let's curve it down and in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's move inside and draw the pattern on the body. Let's start on top of the nose and let's draw a curve up on the left, and then curve it down on the left side. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's draw a curve up and around the eye. And lastly, let's hop down to the bottom under the wreath and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And that's it for Puff the Penguin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!